The next one is Bank of Maharashtra. Vamsi is asking this question. She's tuning in from Bengaluru, and she's bought at levels of 54, and she's got significant quantity also, 1,500 shares. Samir, on the fundamentals, coming back to you, not, would you say, too expensive? Would you agree with that? It's not too expensive in the context of what we're seeing across the board, but would you place your bet on this company per se, this bank, or are there better bets?
So PSU banking is actually quite attractive compared to a lot of the other spaces where, I mean, other banks, if you look at it, they're still trading at one-time book. Bank of Maharashtra, I particularly don't have coverage on, but yes, we are interested in PSU banks. And the one that we have been telling people to invest in, and we ourselves have, I would like to put that as a disclaimer, is Bank of Baroda. Yes, the stock has moved up, but I think given the fact that it's trading at only 1.1 time book, it's a good dividend paying company. The pain points for them is over, where the NPAs have come off, where now we are going to see them being able to grow their book. We believe that they could do well over a period of time. In the near term, short term, probably what's happening is the fact that money is flowing into equity markets quite significantly. The bank deposits are not growing as much. But once we see the deposit, we see the economy kicking off, we see loan growth picking up, we will see the deposits also starting to see an uptick. And that's when these banks will start performing a little better. So Bank of Baroda is our top pick when it comes to valuation front, growth front. SBI looks good. Canara Bank is an interesting one. Bank of Maharashtra per se, I don't have active coverage, but it's part of the entire PSU basket. And I think the PSU banking can do well over a period of time. So if you are invested, you can stay put. If not, look at Bank of Baroda. I think that's more interesting.
All right, interesting. The next counter is Oberoi Realty. The question is from Sami. They bought the counter at a price of 1,849. Rajesh, elevated levels for Oberoi Realty. It's been in a bit of a downturn. It's lost about 10% in the last 1 month or so. What's your view from a short to medium term, and is there a target that you have?
So long-term structure for Oberoi Realty is on the bullish side, but since last 4-5 week, stock is witnessing some profit taking from higher level. Stock now slipped below to its 20-day, 50-day moving average. But for short to medium term, stock is now trading near to its important support area of 1680, 1690 zone, which is very important for this short to medium term trend. If stocks continues to hold above 1680 level, there is a high possibility that stock may attract again buying interest from current level. And once the stock manages to cross above 1760, then I think we can see levels of 1900 also on the higher side. So though stock structure on the long term is on the bullish side, so I think he may hold the position. Stop loss can be placed at around 1670 to hold the long position. And I think in next couple of months, there is a high possibility that, again, stock will resume its uptrend, and then possibly he may get his rate, and maybe possible higher target towards 1950 to 2000 would be there for Oberoi Realty.